want to ask you something honestly. 5 years ago, if someone told you that a free tool on your phone could write your emails, build your business plan, create your content, and help you make money online, you would have called them crazy. That tool exists right now. You probably already have it, and most people are using it like a fancy Google search. There are two types of people in 2026. People who use AI and people who AI replaces. In 2026, there are two types of people. People who use AI and people who get replaced by it. This course is going to make sure you are in the first group, starting right now, from absolute zero. Welcome to the first video of a complete free AI course I'm building right here on this channel. 24 videos, 4 modules, from what AI actually is, all the way to how to make real money with it. No paid course, no membership, everything completely free, right here. Module 1, Foundations. What AI is, how it thinks, and how to get started from scratch. Module 2, Prompt Engineering. The single most valuable skill you can learn in 2026. Module 3, Tools Mastery. Every major AI tool one by one. ChatGPT, Claude, image generators, video AI, all of it. And Module 4, How to turn everything you learned into actual income. Freelancing, digital products, faceless YouTube, real money, real methods.
Subscribe right now and hit the bell. New video drops every 2 days. If you miss even one, you'll have a gap in your foundation. Let's start with the most important question of all. What is AI really? Not the Hollywood version, not the scary robot version, the actual, real, useful version that you can start using today. Think of it this way. Imagine you had an assistant who had read every book ever written, every article on the internet, every research paper, every recipe, every business plan, every script, and then you could ask that assistant absolutely anything, and it would give you a thoughtful, detailed answer in seconds. That is AI. Not magic, not science fiction, a very well-read assistant available 24 hours a day for free. The technical version is this. AI systems like ChatGPT and Claude were trained on billions of pieces of text. They learned patterns. They learned how language works, how ideas connect, how problems get solved. And now, when you type something, they predict the most useful response based on everything they've learned. That's it. Whew, that is the whole thing. So why does this matter right now more than any other time in history? 3 reasons. Reason 1. Up until about 2 years ago, AI was impressive but unreliable. It made things up. It got confused. It wasn't something you could actually build a workflow around. That changed. The AI tools available in 2026 are genuinely, reliably useful for real work every single day. Reason 2, and this is your actual opportunity. Most people still don't know how to use AI properly. They try it once, get a mediocre result, and conclude that AI is overhyped. The people who take the time to actually learn it, right now, in this early window, are going to have an enormous advantage for the next decade. Reason 3. Unlike every other valuable skill in history, the tools to learn this cost you nothing. ChatGPT free, Claude free, Gemini free. The only investment is your time. Before we go any further, I want to be completely honest with you about what AI can and cannot do. Because if you have unrealistic expectations, you'll get frustrated and quit. And I don't want that for you. AI is genuinely great at writing first drafts of almost anything, summarizing long documents in seconds, generating ideas when you're stuck, explaining complex topics simply, translating between languages, helping you code even without experience, and giving structured feedback on your work. AI is genuinely bad at knowing what happened yesterday. It has a knowledge cutoff, being 100% factually accurate. It sometimes makes things up confidently, replacing your own judgment and experience, and anything that requires actually being human. Real relationships, real empathy, real creative risk-taking. The most important thing to understand, AI amplifies what you bring to it. If you bring curiosity and effort, AI makes you 10 times more productive. If you bring nothing, AI gives you nothing useful. It is a tool, a powerful one, but still a tool.
By the time you finish all 24 videos, and I genuinely mean this, you will be able to write anything, emails, scripts, captions, business plans, 10 times faster. Use AI tools professionally in a way that most people simply cannot. Build and sell a digital product using only free AI tools. Create content for a YouTube channel with AI handling the heavy lifting. And walk into any job, freelance pitch, or business conversation in 2026 with skills that actually matter. We're going to answer the question every single beginner asks first. ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini? Which one should you actually use? I'm going to tell you in the first 60 seconds of that video. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss it. Drop a comment below and tell me, what do you most want to use AI for? I'll personally reply and give you a specific tip for your situation. As always, I don't know where you're watching from, but I know you're building something real, and I'm here for every step of it.